everyone, welcome back, and today is day 3 of our 21-day practice challenge, and today is all about practicing shifting, or just the focus on shifting. Now, I have already mentioned in one of my videos how important it is to do some shifting exercises, and I've mentioned this book, Cellist, which has helped me tremendously. So today I want you to, it doesn't matter what you practice, whether it's a concerto, a sonata, or if it's a piece of music, I want you to focus on your shifting and just pay attention. I want you to hear the note before you shift. So let's say you're going from here. Okay, practice. So I want you to just not just do exercises such as self check, or if you have your own exercises that you can do. But I want you to focus on all your shifts when you're practicing your concerto, your sonata, your pieces, your etudes, and really think, even your scales, think about how your body, because it's really about body and mind connection. And if you can hear the note before you shift, and you can feel it and know where it is and have that muscle memory, it really can help you out. So really pay attention. Today is about, getting that accuracy, but it's not by force. It's by listening, it's by feeling your body, and by hearing the note beforehand. And then of course, there are more physical aspects to shifting, and really make sure the shift comes from all the way in the back. And then boom, the hand and the finger goes there last. And you might have a different shifting philosophy, it doesn't matter, but the idea today is to just focus on honing your craft on shifting and making it more accurate and more precise, and then whip out your shifting exercises and just work on them. I hope that you're enjoying this 21-day practice challenge so far. Of course, as usual, please show me what you've got with the hashtag 21-day practice challenge and post on Instagram so that I can see. You can reach out to me if you want a micro lesson, a mini lesson, those are like video exchange, or a longer lesson, and all the information I have down below. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Okay, see you soon. Bye.